365 Advanced Tutorials. Tutorial 5, Virtual Tours Loading tab. Go to the List Tours page, and click the Edit Virtual Tour button, and click the Loading tab. On the Settings panel, enable or disable Autostart. It is used to start the virtual tour automatically. Fly-in, a start animation at the first entrance to the virtual tour. Loading info. It displays logo, name, and progress bar during initial loading. Assigning a background image during loading. Assigning background video. On the background video, we can set the video display time. Set to 0 to wait for the end of the video, otherwise set the seconds for which the video should be displayed.